Welcome to tutorial code, and in this video I will be talking about what are GUIs in Java. GUI, also known as Graphical User Interface in Java, allows users to interact with programs through visual components like windows, buttons, text fields, and dialog boxes instead of typing commands in the Java console. Java provides GUIs through libraries such as AWT, Swing, and Java FX. One of the most commonly used libraries for GUI in Java is Swing, which allows useful classes like JFrame, JButton, and JOption. So how it works: JOption dot show input dialog shows a pop-up input dialog asking for their user's name. So an example I will be showing you guys in today's video is how to create a GUI using the JOption show input dialog. So first of all, to declare the GUI, you have to write this code above with a dot and then this symbol, and then close it with the semicolon. So now public class name input example, because this is an example, and then in this we want public static void main, and then string and ours. So we can first declare this by writing the variable type, which is string, because we are asking the user for the name, and the name is in string as you know. So string name equal to JOption show input dialog. This is how you will call this JOption thing. And then in this, we will want to write what is your name. So this is basically gonna ask the user to enter their name. So below this, we can write JOption pane that shall show message dialog, and we can write a message showing that hello plus the name variable that we declared over here, and then plus an exclamation mark. Why not? So this output will be, the output of this code will be hello, whatever the person's name is. For example, the person's name is John. We'll say hello John, and then like that, hello John. That's basically the output of this code. So we can also do the same thing, like we can make another example using the JOption show input dialog by asking their age. So we can write int, which is the variable type, and then age. JOption show input dialog, and then we can write how old are you? How old are you? And then we can declare this by show message dialog. You always have to write null before you write your sentence. the message dialog. So write null with a comma and then your message. So we'll go over here, write name from this. Actually write you are plus whatever the age is. So for example, we can write, so the output of this code will be you are, and let's say that the person is, for example, 18 years old. So I've actually forgot to write years old over here. Years old. You are 18 years old. Yeah. Okay. So the output of this code will be this. You are 18 years old. We can also like do this for many other examples. Like we can ask the user for their height. So double height. The reason why I am not using int again is because height can be measured in decimals and not in whole numbers. So double height J option can show input dialog. It's the same format as this. J option can show input dialog. And we can write what is your height, and let's put the centimeters. What is your height in centimeters? What is your height? And again, it's the same format. J option can show message dialog. So this dot show input dialog is collecting the input that the user is inputting it into the console, and then show message dialog is outputting the console. So that's a key, very important thing to know. So show message dialog null, and we can write that you are your height centimeters tall. So the output of this code will be you are, let's say the person is, I don't know, like 200 centimeters 200 centimeters tall. So that will be the output of this code. Yeah, so that's basically what a GUI is. A GUI, also known as Graphical User Interface in Java, allows users to interact with programs through visual components like windows, button, text fields, and dialog boxes instead of typing commands in the console. Java provides GUI support through libraries like WT, Swing, and Java FX. Just note that when you output this code, there will be a window pop-up, but I do not have the software feature to output this code. But if you like copy all this code and then run it, you will get the window pop up with these messages that you wrote. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.